I lose my breath whenever I see you. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me on another realistic mom life clean with me. I shared one of these a couple of weeks ago and got some great feedback from a lot of you watching, so I am hoping to do more of these types of cleaning videos. My goal is for these to hopefully inspire you to not only clean along with me, but to also remind you that whatever you did today is enough, because I know some days we can get everything marked off our to-do list and feel amazing, but other days we are just barely getting a couple of things done and just doing the bare minimum. Just know that you're doing amazing and you are killing it either way. Anyways, with all of that being said, I hope you decide to stick around. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos. Subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you are from. I would love to say hello.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd.
Alright you guys, so I am starting off with vacuuming under the sofa cushions because it was honestly long overdue and had tons of crumbs from my boys eating their snacks over here. And then I will be wiping down the leather part of the sofa with a damp cloth to give it a good wipe down.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about how
I wanted to dust some of the furniture since I hadn't done it in a while, and it honestly really needed it. I did want to mention that this was the following day. If you guys noticed the outfit change, that is why. So if you only get one thing done today, pick back up tomorrow where you left off and get it done then.
surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so I can't use.
So I'm finally tackling the pile of laundry I had on the sofa the day before, and I'm putting it away as well, which doesn't happen very often, to be honest, on the same day. So I was very proud of myself for getting all of that done. So if you guys are needing some inspiration to get some laundry folded, I hope this motivates you.
Don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head. Fight another day, I know it's worth it. We're gold inside the rust, so I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building and nesting your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell that. Oh, don't, no, don't.
Alright you guys, so now I am moving on to Liam's room, which is mainly used as my husband's office, and also a little play area and changing area for now, until we transition Liam back to his room and move his crib back in here. But anyways, as you guys can see, it was just a bit unorganized and just had random things everywhere. So I thought it was definitely time to give it a good tidy up.
They don't know you like I do. Like I do. They don't know you like I do. Oh, don't.
can be brilliant without millions. Baby, it ain't no proving. Wanna come over? I wanna get moving, grooving. Your folks disapproving. We can have fun, yeah. Don't need no money. And we can be brilliant without millions. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move around. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move around.
Alright you guys, so now I am just going through this random storage bin I had in the corner over here. It had clothes and shoes that I had piled up from Aaron and Noah that they had already outgrown. I was just making sure that they were in good condition to store for Liam. They have all been growing so fast lately, and I just feel like we are constantly buying clothes for all of them. I'm sure a lot of you mamas can relate. Liam is actually now fitting into a size 12 months. He just recently turned 8 months a couple of days ago, but thankfully we won't need to buy much for him once we get into the hand-me-downs we actually had kept from his brothers, which I am so grateful we kept them.
Make billions, not zillions. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move around. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move
So that is going to be it for today's realistic mom life clean with me. Like I mentioned throughout my video, you don't have to get everything done in one day because realistically it's nearly impossible some days. So if you are feeling overwhelmed today, try to focus on one task at a time and go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this brought you joy and inspired you. And if you made it this far, be sure to leave me a pink heart emoji to let me know you stayed until the end. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I hope to see you all in my next video.